today I'm going to be doing a video on this really bright, really bold yellow hair. I'm going to show you how I got my roots and everything I used to get it. This unit that I'm going to be using is from LeeLeeUrstruLee.com. The link to order this unit will be down in the description box below, so go ahead and order you one. It comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and it is a 13x4 frontal wig. These are machine made units, you guys, so these are not as thick as it would be if it was handmade. The density is around 150%, and I feel like that is perfect. So to start off with coloring, because I don't want to stain my lace, and you know, working with 613 hair, it's easy to stain your lace, I'm going to take my Tresemme conditioner and put it all over this lace, and then use my Got to Be glue spray to hold it in. Next, for the roots, I am going to be using this Ion permanent hair color in the color 8NN. And I'm just going to be mixing it with some 10 volume developer. All of these products, you guys, I got from my local Sally's, and I actually had a video on it, so you should go check it out because you was able to spend a day with me shopping. So yeah, I don't measure, but you can read the instructions, and I think it's like 1 to 2 parts. I can't remember. I always eye stuff and I end up getting it right. I'm going to put my gloves on because you don't want to mess up your nails or just stain your hands or anything when it comes to color. So when it comes to doing roots, I feel like I'm not that good. However, these roots came out really good, so take this technique and take some notes. I'm just using this really small rat tail comb, and I'm taking my time and just really dabbing it at the roots with the tip of the comb. That's all I did to get these amazing roots, you guys, and it came out so natural, so nice. I did not stain my lace at all, and you know, I just feel like it came out perfect. So make sure when you're doing this, you take your time and, you know, move quickly because it will start to turn. So as you can see, one side got darker and the other side is still processing. So I kind of let it process for about 5 to 10 more minutes before I rinsed it out. I didn't use any shampoo or conditioner when I rinsed this out, and this is what it looks like. And I only rinsed the top of it because I didn't want to wet the whole unit. And for some reason, I was like, let me blow dry this hair so that I can put this color on it. But you guys, you can really skip this part. You do not have to blow dry your hair in order for the color to can take. I was just being extra. So we can go ahead and get started with the color. So the color that I'm using is from Artic Fox, and it is the Cosmic Yellow. The Sally's that I was at only had 1 bottle of the Cosmic Yellow, so I was really mad because I saw some videos and I know I needed at least 2. So I just mixed it with this neon color, which this neon color does not turn a color. It's not going to affect your color. It was really just a booster, and it gives it that glow in the dark effect. So it really just made me have more of the yellow dye, and it stretched it for me. So now I'm parting it off in sections, and I'm just going to start applying this color all over. I would recommend getting 2.5 or maybe using 2.5 of these bottles because I really did have to stretch this, you guys. I did not apply the color to the end because I was going to cut my little ends off anyway, and I wanted to save as much color as I could. So I really applied it a great amount like in this hair, and I really like the Artic Fox dye. Let me know down below if y'all want to see me do some more colors, if you want to see me do more colors using the Artic Fox color, because it is really vibrant. Look at how bold this yellow is. As you can see, the ring light is on the other side, so this yellow is coming up really bold, really bright, and really vibrant. So that's pretty much all I did, you guys. I took my time, I went through this, and I let this color process, I want to say for about 45 minutes before I washed it out. And when I washed it out, I really I didn't use any like shampoo. I forgot what I did. I didn't use any shampoo. I really only rinsed it, and then I used some conditioner, the bamboo silicone mix conditioner. That's what I did. I put some silicone mix on it. I let it sit for a while, and probably about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I rinsed it out, and I was good to go. I let it air dry. I blow dried it a little bit, but I ultimately let it air dry, and then I styled it the next day, and that is how I got the look in the beginning of this video. So yeah, you guys, this is it. Please turn on your post notifications so you can be notified for the next video. I'm going to show you how I styled this unit. It is a chit chat get ready with me, and I want you guys to be the first ones to watch it. Comment some yellow hearts as soon as it drops so I can know you are part of the notification game and you watch this video. So like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys on another video.